Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of March 6, 2022. Following 2 weeks that Russia invasion of Ukraine, the market continues to trade with the high volatility range. You can see that the financial market fell almost 5% last week, led by sharp decline in bank stock. They admit that the report that the U.S. banks are under increase of a cyber attack due to the sanction against Russia. And you can see that the crude oil had a historic rally to start up 2022. They are raising about 45% since the end of the last year. This rally had intensified over the past week as the liquid gold is up almost 60% over a trailing 7-day time frame. This movement had led to some extremely overbought reading of the commodity, and the crude oil is sitting at 135% overbought to the trading Thursday after they raising to its higher level and over a decade at the $116. So you can see that right now, even though the market it goes sideways, choppy downside, but a lot of commodity stock like crude oil, gold, material is still in a good shape right now. So that's where we should focus on. So now let's take a look on the technical analysis of the major indices so that we can see how they are performed, so that we can see its potential. Where are they going to go for next week? So first of all, look at the chart of the SP 500. The immediate SP 500, the ES ticker, as you can see here. So today, the last couple of days, the market it did go sideways, choppy, it go nowhere. So today, when the market opened, they push it down. But however, they have a strong support area in this area here. So as long as they can stay all here, they still have a chance to bounce back up. But if they go below here, then the market is even more in trouble the downside. So we will see it, when the market opens tomorrow. That's where they're heading to. So the momentum is still sideways, choppy, and in the volatile range. So the ES they run like 50, 100 points per day. So a top for a lot of technology stock that move up. But you should focus on the oil, gold, and mining, and defense stock. So they are doing very well at this moment. So let's take a look on. So if the market it continue to put down, we will have a strong support in this area. So let's see the market be able to hold up and push it up, or it will continue to put to the downside again here. But you look at the Nasdaq, you can see that the Nasdaq is very weak. Even though they push it back up, the Dow trend line still hold there. They pull back, but they have some support here. So we'll see that they can hold on, or they will continue to push it back down if they continue to drop, and then we will come back to retest the Dow below here. But if they can hold up, we're looking for a rebound back and retest the Dow trend line here. The Dow it also goes sideways here. Again, they have a strong support in this level. So if this level hold, they can push it back and retest the upper bound here. But if they fail here, you can see that they will continue to push it back down a little bit further. If you look at the Russell 2000, it also have a strong support in this area here also. Okay, so if they can bounce back, we will come back and retest this area here. If they drop below here, they will continue to come further south. So the market is still look very choppy in terms of the invasion of from Russia to Ukraine there. So we have to pay attention to see how it come out in the next couple of days here, where they may go zigzag around here until they have a result of the negotiation or ending there or whatever. Okay, so you have to trade with a lot of care. Otherwise, it's still a very choppy market at this moment. If you look at the volatility index, and you can see that the volatility index is still in the high range up here. However, they are have a tough time to go higher. So if they be able to put it back down and break below upper support line here, then the market will have chance to go higher. But if they continue to go up, and then the market will have they will push it back down, and they will have a strong resistance at this level here. Okay, so right now I think that they are trying to put it back up here, but they may run out of gas. So if they pull back down, they can help the market to rebound. Okay, in a bear market rally. Let's see how they turn out tomorrow. Look at the 10-year Treasury note. This is a good thing because the interest rate it continue the 10-year Treasury note interest rate it continue to put it back down. So that's a good sign that the market the technology be able to stabilize, and probably they can find a way up. But right now they're at a strong support level here, so watch out. Okay, for that one, if they hold here, they bow back up, then that will be a more problem for the technology stock also. If you look at the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin is also going up, but they have some resistance here, so they pull back down, but they have a strong support here. So if they can hold about this support here, so then they keep bouncing back and forward before they can clear it up, either break out to go higher or break below here and continue for the downside. But it looks like we have a strong support in this area here. So the market will find a way to bounce, to retest the high there. Okay, so it's still choppy, but you can trade in the rainbow also. Ethereum is also similar. They have a strong support in this area here, so we watch out for this level here. They tested twice and they still hold up very well. So all we want is one good new there. They can put it right back up to the upside again. Now let's take a look on the let me see here, the crude oil. The crude oil it continue to put it to the top there, as you can see. So the last week is the best week for the crude oil. They continue to push it back up because Russia oil will be shorted there because nobody want Russia oil. So this one here will continue to find a way to push it up. Okay, right now it's very overbought, so you have to trade with a lot of care here because they are gap up. Okay, so a lot of gap up. So if they come down, they can come down very quickly to fill up those gap. So have to be careful. Take a look on gold. Gold, you can see here, continue to push it up to the upside. As you can see, the gold future here, it continue to rumble to the upside. They have some strong resistance in this level, but it's very bullish also. If you look at a lot of stock, let me give you a couple of things that I showed you last week. Like copper, they're doing very well, right? The metal and the mining is also doing extremely well. They go straight up. This one here, we show you last couple of weeks. It continues to rumble there. Even gold, you can see it continue to put it upside there, right? So yep. So a lot of stock in this sector you can monitor and focus at. Okay, but sometimes it's overbought, so you have to manage your risk because we rather buy on a pullback. Don't try to chase it. Okay, so you watch out. Sometimes they go too fast, and then they can drop very fast also. Now let's take a look on the 11 sector of the S&P 500. So we can see how they're doing here. So the XLB, which is material, is still below the downtrend line here, but they are trying to hold up a support. In order to make it high, they need to clear this level here. In order to make it high, low, to put it to the upside. The communication is also very weak. Okay, a lot of communication stock, like Facebook and those guys do that in the water. So it will take a while for them to stabilize and push it back up. Let me see here, but some of them are still doing well, like T-Mobile, watch out for the breakout to make it high. Verizon, right? They're doing very strong there. They break out this level here and continue to the upside, and then they give you a high yield also. And Google, for example, they try to stabilize here. If they can hold on to it, they will find another way to push it up. The energy sector, you can see here, is the best of the best right now. Okay, with the a lot of sanction on the Russia oil, the stock it still continue to go up, and you can see a lot of them. It's very strong, like CVX, right? We have been showing you many days. ExxonMobil, right? I don't know how many of them, but they all doing extremely crazy well. XOY, right? That's another one. Whew, look at here. They go like a rocket, but you have to be careful because sometimes you don't want to be a FOMO. Okay, they are very close to the resistance, so you watch out for that. Okay, and now take a look on the financial sector. Like I said, financial sector, you have a trouble with a cyber attack and a lot of restriction in Russia. So Visa, Mastercard, they back out and those kind of stuff. It still call the financial market stuck into this rainbow here. So so it means that you trade those stock looking for the low bound, upper bound there. That's where they are heading right now. If you look at the industrial sector, you can see that they also pull back down. They pull back, and then they be able to come back. They hold up here. If they can hold up here, they can find a way to put it up again. CAT. Okay, so that's another one. Cabatella. I think that they have some support here. In the short term, we're looking for the rebound up to that level there. UNP, that's another strong one. They're able to break out with a nice cup handle here, push it back up, and continue to have room to move upside. Let me see here. Okay, UPS, that's another one that you have some trouble here, but seems like they found some support here. But we need to have one more leg to put it to the upside here. Okay, let me see on the XLK, which is the technology. As you can see, it's very similar to the NQ chart. So they put it back down, they hold up. So we need them to hold up here to make another move in order to break out of the downtrend line here for the bow back to the upside. Okay, so at this moment it's still choppy, but I think the market potentially they have a strong support in this area, so we need a couple more legs here to put it to the upside. If you look at the XLP is still hold on tight here. We have a downtrend line here, but they try to turn on and then break this level again. If they can clear the downtrend line here, the consumer stable is still doing great, and a lot of good stock. Okay, Apple, very potential, very strong chart. The power support pull back, they hold back to the buy zone here. So again, if they can hold on to this level, we're looking for a short-term rebound to the upside again. A couple of stocks like SFT, like Microsoft, but the weak, they pull back again. So this is the big first level buying, they pull back. As long as they don't drop below here, they hold tight here. Those stocks still have a chance to put it back up again. NVDA, okay, that's another. NVIDIA is semiconductor. They are still in the downtrend line here, but all the stocks are very similar formation. So they have a strong bow back, they pull back. Okay, they have a high, a low here. We need to have another high in order to for the next move. It will be stronger. Okay. If you look at the real estate, okay, when you see the 10-year Treasury note coming down, that help, the interest rate going down, that will help the real estate sector push it up to the upside. We have a lot of resistance here, but right now they make it high, low here and continue to push it back up. Remember, market not go straight up, but they will show you, with a nice formation here and to try to put it up to the upside. A lot of stock in there like AMT, right? So this one at the bottom, they find a way to put it back up. PLD, for example, yep, another one. PSA, okay, this one here is ready to make a new bay and break out again. Okay, the XLU with the utility, they just turn around and make a bullet formation here, very strong here. The last couple of days, so this one is break out. Now they already take up, okay, very quickly to the upside to reset the high here again. You can see a lot of stock in this sector also doing well, like NEE, right? So the last week they doing extremely well there. Look, energy, that's another one. If they can clear this multiple level resistance here, they can even go much higher. Okay, so yep, this is another southern company. They also doing extremely well there also. Ooh, so many energy, utility, mining, okay, commodity. They are all doing extremely well, as well as a consumer stable also. So looking for those stocks in that sector, you will find a good one and stick with it. Okay, and XLU, which is another strong one, the utility sector. As you can see, I showed you earlier, extremely strong there. XLV, okay, XLV is healthcare. The healthcare is able to break out our trend line here. Now they continue to push it back up because a lot of stock here, they give you a nice yield and a lot of good earning results. So you can see that they, some of them should be doing extremely well. Let me give you a couple of them, like BAX, right? So that's the Baxter International. This one here, they put up power support. If they can lead this resistance here, they will come up again. Okay, UNH, another strong healthcare stock. They are continue to rumble and reset the high here. Okay, BMY, right? There's another one, same thing. This one here, they look like they build a momentum, try to break out this level here. So just monitor that one. Okay, the XLY, that the one is very weak. Okay, so this one here, they are going nowhere. As you can see here, a lot of stock in this one here. I think Tesla is still doing well, but they are still low. They push it back up. The downtrend line here, they need to hold up and make a new break this level here to continue to hit back 2000. Okay, McDonald, I think they are still doing okay. McDonald, they found some support here, so let's see next week they can push it back up again. And low, that's another strong one. They found support, they fall below here, they come back up, they hold up here. So next week, if they can clear this level of resistance here, they will get up to this level there. Okay, so I think that's all, a lot of talk there. I just try to show you. So put in your watch list and monitor it, and using your chart to analyze that so you can follow them and make some money. Okay, so beside this stock, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we handpick many stocks, and then we will see the opportunity. We analyze in detail with the entry and target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching and good luck to your trading, and I will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.